Hey, what is up, friends, people? I thought shipments would be slower because of this whole virus thing that's going on and the craziness, everything shutting down and closing down. A lot of people not being able to work because of their jobs being non-vital or whatever deemed, I don't know, some category. But anyways, UPS is coming through with a ton of stuff. I know I work for their competition, USPS, but we all deliver, we all gotta work together. I mean, there's so much stuff. People order online nowadays. These companies don't really even need to be in competition. They're basically working together. We're dropping off packages at each other's shipping plants and everything. So anyways, I hope everybody's staying positive out there. Remember, your mental state has a huge factor in how healthy you stay. So stay positive out there. This channel is all about staying positive and going after your dreams, going after what's cool out there. And one nice thing about this whole virus is that it's not slowing down the resale market. It's not really halting too much. I mean, I think it's messing with new items prices a little bit, especially these new Supreme items like I'm going to show you today. I don't know about these Yeezys. I don't know. They're doing pretty good on the market, but we'll get into those in a minute, those Yeezys. We are going to get into the North Face stuff first. I'll get into this shirt. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. I want to show the whole world you can be positive. You can live a great life of loving all people and caring for all people. So yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, hit me up in the DMs so that you can get involved in the raffle or enter the raffle. I'm going to be giving away a Supreme goodie bag with a bunch of stuff in there. And yeah, like different things that they give. Oh, sweet! I got the Tupac sticker. I've been waiting for this one, so I'm glad I was able to get that. But yeah, once I get 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some Supreme stuff. So for sure, enter into that right away. There's nothing else in this bag besides the North Face Supreme shirt in this plastic packaging. There it is. You see there's a label on the back. Oh. There's your label. There's some other warning information and whatnot. I do want to go ahead and break into this shirt. That's okay, because I think people who legit check Supreme a lot of times, like me, I'm going to want to open it up and see. That's going to be giving me the best views and, you know, be able to help me the most with if it's legit or not. So yeah, there it is. I mean, it's exactly like the picture. It's just the printed vest on a white t-shirt. So there it is on the back. It's just straight screen printing, and you can see the little subtle print in there. Very specific with some of those clasps and whatnot. Very high quality print for that detail work. I mean, all those different shades of gray and black. They definitely did a decent job. And then on the left sleeve, you do have that branding right there. Pretty nice. And then on the back of the neck, you've got your wash tag, your care tag, some information there, whatnot. A couple of tags here, so good times. And so without further ado, okay, I do think this is kind of cool because it sort of fits me nice. It goes around. Almost looks like I'm wearing this, except for the top here. I mean, maybe I'll get a Sharpie and complete that connection there on the shoulder. But yeah, there's the back of it. The front, I mean, this shirt is very cool. Glad to go ahead and pick that up. I am 6'1" and 145 pounds, so this is how it fits on me. Hopefully you guys aren't commenting, asking me about my height and my weight on this video. I mean, I should just say it on every video because having it in my about tab does not help that much, I guess. But yeah, that's a little side rant. I'm breaking into this Supreme jacket. I was so stoked to be able to nab it when I did. I was skeptical if it was going to come or not. They were going to cancel my order or what was happening, but 2 more box logos right there. And we'll just get that out of there. This is crazy heavy. There is so much to this. I guess because that vest is thick. It's in this standard Supreme plastic bag that they like to put some of their stuff in. I don't think there's, oh yeah, there is one sticker down the bottom left corner on this plastic. Anybody wanting to see the sticker? There it is. Let's go ahead. Oh, there we go. Opened up perfectly. And we've got our tags here. I'll try and do some details for you guys. But here's your tag. Hanging there, all your info. It's like a cardboard for sure. It feels like some sturdy cardboard. Gore-Tex. and it does open up. Got a skew in there. Those are both on there together on this zipper, this inside zipper pocket right here. Now let's go ahead and look at the tag inside of the neck just real quick before we break it all open and show you the whole thing. But there's your inside the neck tag. Looking maybe a little bit different than some of the other Supreme jackets that I've seen with the North Face collabs. Let me get out my other black one that I got last season and we can just compare, because I know this print on the inside for sure exactly the same as that last one. Man, there's so many pockets on this. And the weight of it, again, is just unreal. It's pretty heavy, I would say, even though I don't think it's really that much padding in it. But yeah, it's a heavy jacket. On the sleeve, you got your North Face Supreme branding. You got all these straps all over the place on this vest. These Velcro ones right here for holding some sort of water bottle or a phone or a compass. You got hooks. I guess this is the best part. So let's see what it's like with just the jacket, if I can even make that happen. I've got to figure it out. I've got our zipper right here for that. There we go, got one side of the vest off. Other side, okay. So is it attached? No, it's not attached anywhere else, so there we go. I got that Supreme vest off there. Oh man, what is this thing? There's like so much to this. Look at the back of this vest, even has more branding on here. Supreme, the North Face. It's got its little wash tag there. And then it's got this part that clips off on the back. I don't understand this. Dude, the back of this backpack has this part of it that unclips. I'm just going to unclip all these and see what happens. Okay, so I think this must be for like holding your sleeping bag, I'm sure. And then, oh wow, they just let you right into this foam. That's your back. There's like a piece of foam inside of this piece here, probably to help it keep its shape, but I guess they let you take that out if you want. So yeah, you need to have that foam in there if you're looking to legit check, and it scratches real easy. It looks like it's, I don't know, it's a weird type of foam. It's only like that thick, pretty thin stuff, like rubbery. I don't know if that's supposed to stay in there or not, but we'll just leave it in there. Why not? Another clasp up here above that zipper, and there's another strap inside of this strap. It's for a sleeping bag, I'm guessing, or I mean, that's the only thing I can really come up with, but yeah. So, and then on the front of this vest there's this waistband, but this thing literally, I mean, it's super heavy duty, so thick, but it doesn't even go around all the way with this thick stuff. This thick industrial belt stuff just goes across the front, and on the back side it ends. It's not going through underneath this stuff. This is just that foam stuff that was up in here, I think, or similar to it. So yeah, but you do have both those straps on both sides. Very industrial, really intense, the North Face. You got your side pockets, so this thing is just loaded. Man, you got pockets on the inside of this vest all over the place. There are just so many. And then this piece of fabric just sewn in there for no reason. Another Velcro pocket here for something. I mean, it's got a hole there, so I'm sure it's for your audio. So you put your phone in here, and then your headphones come out there if you've got a wire that you have to use for some reason. Yeah, so that thing, so much. There's so much to that vest. And then, oh man, this jacket, more pockets just everywhere. Same deal on this side. You got pockets down here, hidden. Another pocket for your hand. You got your vents under here. Man, so much. These Velcro, yeah, these are just Velcro vents. Another clasp on the sides there for your ski poles, probably, I'm guessing. Yeah, so let me get out that other one actually. Here's that one from last season that I got, and you guys can look at the video of that one. But yeah, the inside tag, it didn't have that third line like this one, and I guess this vest has basically the same tag as well. They have changed it a little bit. This is last season, size large, everything. and then this season. So definitely a little bit different from each other. And then yeah, the inside, this print, those are the same that we have. I guess the fabrics are definitely different because this North Face one is with Cordura and Gore-Tex. This one is just Gore-Tex. RTG, I guess, is what they went with instead of Cordura. I don't know if that's the new fabric they're going to be using on stuff or not, but I'm going to take this jacket off. You guys have seen it enough, I think. Oh, and then I guess, you know, you got your branding up there on the top, that little bill for the jacket. I'm going to throw on just this vest. So I'm going to have a vest on a vest. There's that belt, that industrial belt, so intense. Man, this vest is definitely not my size. I need one way smaller, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think I might be able to rock this thing? It's pretty massive. It might look a little bit funny, but I don't know if this thing is really supposed to be tightened. I don't think it is because these are not really tightening. So this waist belt thing down here situation, I would not try to mess with it too much. It doesn't look like it really has any give. So I'm not sure what exactly you're supposed to let it do, but I'll just keep it there. It's all right. What do you guys think? You guys like that? All right, we're gonna go ahead, get into the Yeezys now. Finally, there is just so much going on in this video, but hopefully you guys got a little bit of extra time. You guys can watch a little bit of a longer video, see some different stuff. But yeah, you know, it's all fun. Gotta love unboxings. And this is straight from Adidas. I got it from the Adidas app. I did that drawing that they have, and I was one of the people selected to get these. There is your label on the box. That's what we're looking at. Here it is. Oh man, that actually is not bad in person. This green is a very tasteful green, I would say, in my opinion. I mean, and also with this 3M silver stripe, that is not terrible. I mean, you compare it to some of these other Yeezys, this one was not great in person. I mean, in pictures it's a little bit better. It's not actually that bad in person, but it's just so many different colors. I don't know, it'd be difficult to make that work with an outfit without being super obnoxious. But this one kind of, I don't know, it's kind of in the same category, got a similar vibe going on. This is that citron color. You got a similar thing going on with those earth tones, but I really like earth tone and that pop of orange just where your foot is. I mean, it's actually a lot of orange. They even put orange underneath this leather patch for the laces, and the cage down below looks like it's still white. There's a cage under here with a bunch of little holes, and it really makes your toes snug up in the front of your shoe. So if you're not into that, then you don't want to wear Yeezys. If you need to have toe room like crazy, then you're going to want to either size up pretty big on these and then figure out how to tie them and make them fit nice, or you just want to find a different shoe, honestly, because Yeezys, especially the 350s, they more rely on grabbing the toe box part of your foot, grabbing your forefoot and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead, get both of them together here. We'll just take a look at them here. Oh man, looking so clean, so nice. You got that 3M just glowing. I mean, you guys can't really see it glowing, but it is able to reflect real bright. Going all the way around. Standard 3M. And then you do have your Boost midsole. This Boost midsole, honestly, super comfortable, very nice to walk in, and you know, pretty squishy foam made by NASA. It's in this rubber cage. The Yeezy 350 has been around for quite a while now, and 2016 I think was the introduction of it. It's made its rounds, a bunch of different colorways, and people just can't let it go. They just love trying to get more and more out of this silhouette. That's what Kanye's doing. He keeps pushing them out and coming up with some more colorways. So hopefully you guys like this review, and before I let you all go, I do want to shoot positivity at you from the YouVersion Bible app on my phone. We're going to read Hebrews chapter 2 verse 9. What we do see is Jesus, who for a little while was given a position a little lower than the angels, and because he suffered death for us, he is now crowned with glory and honor. Yes, by God's grace, Jesus tasted death for everyone. Man, so powerful. Jesus tasted death for everybody. So because he came in human form, you know, the creator of all of this came down in human form, and kind of taught the human race, who has become very intellectual. You know, God has realized that the human race is smart, but they're just so violent, so cruel to each other. And so he comes down in human form. Jesus shows us the perfect way to live, this way of loving your enemy, of just going out of your way to make somebody's day, to put joy in other people's lives, to not push each other down or to mock other people. And I know Christianity in today's world doesn't always look that way, but that's how it started. That's where I'm trying to bring it back to, where everybody is accepted, because Jesus came to save every single person. And there's a certain point where every single person is going to subdue to the love of Christ. In my opinion, maybe you have a different point of view, and that's okay. You can have whatever view you want. I mean, it's your right as a human being for free will. So anyways, but yeah, I've just been doing a lot of thinking, a lot of studying of the scriptures, and specifically listening to a lot of New Testament interpreters. And yes, there's just a lot of knowledge out there, and so I'm just diving in full force. Anyways, I love you all. Definitely hit me up on social media, whatnot, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe.